Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Gorakhpur location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are many vacancies available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. Let's discuss each and every job vacancy mentioned here. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for sales manager position. It is from Gorakhpur and it is for Kotak Mahindra Bank. And to apply for this position, you should have done graduation or MBA, and also minimum 4 years of work experience is required, and excellent written and oral communication skills are also required for this position. Let's discuss about the job summary. You should be responsible for generation of revenues through sale of CASA and third-party products like insurance, mutual funds, online trading, demat accounts, etc. through sales channel. And you should be responsible for achieving the business objectives of the retail liabilities sales team for the branch and meet the volume and the channel productivity metrics, and also responsible for leading a large sales channel comprising of team leaders and sales executives and ensuring recruitment, training, retention and mentoring of sales teams. And you should be having experience in handling large team, background in order of preference, banking, financial services and also FMCG or telecommunication. So you should have knowledge on all these provided here, and if you want to know more detailed information, you can check in the official website link provided here. For application process also, you please go through with the website link. For relationship officer branch banking, job requirement will be equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as a skew, thorough understanding of banking and customer retention. And coming to job role, you need to handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening, grievances, liability product selling, liability on product features, checkbook insurance, and speed and efficiency of service given, sales targets for banks and investment products, going beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value, cross sell of asset products, backup to relationship managers holding HNI relationship, customer acquisition through referrals. So this is about the job summary. Please go through it once, and for further details about the job opening provided here, so you can visit in the website link provided. Next one for assistant acquisition manager position. So for this position, job requirement will be freshers or graduate with appropriate 1 year of experience is required in liability sales preferred, and hardcore sales mentality, primary motivation from achievement of targets, and a hunter by orientation, and should be well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information, and also they have mentioned here the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are provided. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for Assistant Acquisition Manager for RA Rural Branches Sales. So for this, the candidate must have completed his graduation or post graduation in any field to apply for this position. And coming to skills required, selling skills with a clear focus on acquiring new CA or SA, presentable and demonstrating basic etiquettes, and pursuing skills, fluent communication and basic understanding of English is required. Next, coming to key responsibilities, to acquire customers for current account and savings account products of the bank from the pool of potential individuals and small businesses trust associations, societies and corporates, to achieve and deepen business value and numbers, to cross-sell TPP like insurance, gold, locker, FD, asset products, etc., to retain customers through efficient customer service till 3 months of acquisition when accounts are handed over to RO. So these are the responsibilities and interested candidates. So please check with the responsibilities and the qualification and the skills details provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.